So we have Go Get Noticed. We're going to look at how you can run your campaign from here. So the first step here is, as always, you go to Android, click on our device, you scan this QR code to download an app, and then once the app has been downloaded, you're going to scan the second QR code, the second one, to connect the platform with the web, with app, to connect the app and the web platform. So let me link this. All right, so I'm gonna scan the second QR code. I have the app with me. Just downloaded it. So scanning the second QR code. So there you go. My phone has been linked. Right, that is done. The next step is you're going to come to groups here, add a group, give it a name. Okay, tested 59, just any name. So the group is created. You have the group ID here. You're going to use this group ID somewhere. So take note of that. So that is contacts. Let's see when you come to saved and you want to remember contacts, you come to saved, you come to import. We have a sample file that I want us to check. So I want to download this sample file here. Download that. Contacts, so I want to open it. Use Google Sheet for this. So I'll do this. So I'm gonna come to Google Drive here. Add new file upload. Latest download. Here it is. This is a sample. So it's added. I want to open that. All right. So we have the phone number, and I want you to note the format. This is the format. So groups, remember the group ID. If we come back here and we check the group ID again, let me come, this is the group ID. So this group ID is group ID number 5. You're gonna put it here. So it's gonna be 5. If you have more than one group ID, you'll have them here. If for instance I come back and create another group here, other group, tested 50 GT group, GTY, just any name, too short, GTYT. It's group ID number 6. So if I want these contacts to be saved in more than one group, just in case you're running campaigns in you're sending different messages to different groups. So when you come back here, you're gonna have 5, and 6. See that? So 5 and 6, or 5 and all of that. The format of the phone number is as you can see it here. So in the US, the format is +1 202 773 7245. That is the format. It has to be this format. So, and I can see we don't have I need to add a plus sign here. Let me see if I can remember how we were doing that. Format. Perfect, it worked. So you come here, format, text, numbers. You can create this one here. I'd already added this condition here, the plus sign, as you can see here. So you can add it here. Let me do that again. Format, text. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you do this. The plus sign. Let me remove this. Sorry. Number. Custom format number. So here it is. You just need to add a plus sign. So there you go. But let me undo that. All right. So we have the number has to be in this format. Everything has to be in this format for it to work. Otherwise, it won't work. So I'm gonna remove this. So I'm gonna file download CSV comma delimited. So in its current state, this phone number is gonna be saved in two groups, group number 5 and group number 6. And then I want to come back here, the platform here, saved, import, choose file, here it is, upload, submit. Invalid Excel format. All right, let me see what I've done. Just a minute. File. I've done not CSV. Don't download in CSV. It should be XLS. This one, XL. That one. So download. So gonna come here to the platform. Choose file. There you go. Submit. Boom. Contacts imported. So if you come to groups here, you'll be able to see, or if you, sorry, let me saved, you'll be able to see the groups. See here, it is in group this, and that is the name, and that is the phone number. Right. What about saving the contacts? The next one is now you have your phone added. It's time to run the campaign. You just come to, and also before you even run the campaign, you need to have the template. So the template is how you want the message you'll be sending. So come here to template, add template, you create it here, you give it a name. All right. So if you want, you see these shortcodes. So if you want the name, it will be, this is the name that you're going to use. That way. Hey, contact name. If you want the syntax to work, it is as you can see it here. That. All right. So if you have the way it is, good or bad. The system will pick, hey, so and so. One will receive good, the other person will receive bad, and then submit. All right. The template is done. So the next item now is running the campaign. And in case you want, maybe I can also say something here. Actions. The auto reply. In case a person says yes, then you will have an auto reply whereby it says, here is the link to find more info, or something of that kind, whatever that you want to do. So that's how you do that bit. Now we come to sending the message about the campaign. So I'm here to overview SMS, then campaigns. You can do send bulk. There are several options here. When you're here, there are several options. The first one is you can copy and paste the numbers as you can see them here. Right? And then you can pick the group name. It's either you copy and paste the numbers here, or you pick the group. In this case, we already have them in the group, so that's the group we want to send to. And then you give it a priority. In case you have multiple campaigns, you do want it to be a priority. And then you also want to have a situation where you pick the template. You can pick the template, or you can make the changes here, right? So you give it a name. You select the device in case you have multiple devices, mobile device in case you have multiple of them, and then you can hit send. That's how you run the campaign. One more thing I would wish to mention is in regards to the host here, the Android. Ensure that you have edited. You have come here and edited these details. Here, edit this item. Send interval. This what it means is after how many seconds should an SMS be sent. So for instance, you should put something like I recommend putting as a higher number, message to be sent after every 2 minutes, and the system will randomize this. You can say after every 2 minutes to between 2 minutes and 8 minutes. Sorry, 60 times 8 minutes, or 4 minutes, so 240 seconds. Again, you can also limit in terms of how many SMSs do you want sent in the daily or monthly. And then you put that number there, and then don't forget to submit. Forget to save that. Very important. All right. So having said that, that's all. In case there is any question or clarification is needed, now you are ready to run your campaign. Thank you and bye for now.